Powered by innovation and the perfect fusion of technology with craftsmanship, we are committed to advancing the concrete and cement products industry towards excellence, establishing global industry benchmarks. Green Intelligent Manufacturing Workshop that achieves deep integration of eco-friendly concepts with cutting-edge technologies. Through precision engineering and digital transformation, we deliver superior quality products, embodying meticulous craftsmanship in every detail. Intelligent raw material conveying and storage system. This system adopts a composite screen discharging design, is suitable for both side and rear discharging modes of heavy trucks, is equipped with a dry mist, dust suppression system, and a sunken discharging unit. It is connected to 7 intelligent raw material storage tanks via a bucket elevator, and integrates an arch braking device, material level monitoring, a material distribution belt, and an automatic weighing system to achieve fully enclosed intelligent conveying. This makes facemix batching system. The intelligent batching solution consists of 7 high-precision weighing hoppers and 4 sets of sunken floor-mounted batching hoppers. It uses pneumatic fast and slow dual-speed batching, and is equipped with vibrators to ensure batching accuracy and efficiency. This makes facemix color pigment weighing system. Each pigment is conveyed to the weighing hopper through an independent screw conveyor. The system accurately controls the preset ratio and realizes dynamic weighing. This makes facemix mixing system. The fully enclosed planetary mixer ensures that angle-free mixing, integrated with intelligent moisture control to ensure product quality. This makes facemix color mix system. Intelligently proportion multi-color raw materials to achieve a natural gradient effect on the product surface, producing high-value added multicolored blocks. Pallet buffer device utilizes a patented finger car system for pallet feeding and an electromagnetic pallet suction handling method to achieve buffering and order-line dispatch of idle pallets. This device optimizes production cycle time, balances efficiency, variations between processes, and enhances overall system flexibility. ZN1500-2 block machine molding system, designed by German ZENITH and further refined for domestic production by QGM. The molding system utilizes an ultra-dynamic servo vibration system combined with proportional valve, closed-loop hydraulic control. The dual-structure design of the vibration table ensures efficient transmission of vibration forces, equipped with a variable displacement pump and accumulator hydraulic system. It supports synchronized multiple actions and integrates temperature monitoring to ensure the stability of hydraulic oil. Modular design allows 10 to 15 minutes mold changes and supports multi-product production, such as stone-like PC blocks, multi-color blocks, landscape blocks, and slope protection blocks. Servo-driven walking beam enables fast and stable contact-free pallet transfer, preventing mechanical wear. The forming system integrates German precision technology with efficient domestic adaptation, stacking and conveying system. The 22-layer patent-designed interval type elevator and lowerator effectively separate the products from each other, which not only enhances product quality but also makes rational use of factory space. The fully automatic finger car system transports products to a 22-layer vertical curing chamber, where steam heat and humid curing accelerate solidification, enhancing product strength, durability, and appearance while reducing curing time. The finger car system adopts variable frequency control with adjustable operating speed and features wheel-type forced centering design to prevent misalignment and derailment of the sub-car. The transfer car achieves rapid and precise positioning through the coordinated use of ground induction blocks, transfer car induction plates, and encoders. The servo-driven lowerator buffer device temporarily stores cured products from the curing chamber and conveys them to the lowerator, optimizing production line cycle time and meeting flexible manufacturing requirements. Dry product conveyor transports products from the lowerator to the pre-clamping device for preliminary closing. eliminating gaps and improving curbing efficiency. The fully automatic curbing system transfers cured products from the dry product conveyor onto wood and pallets on the SLH conveyor. Equipped with servo drive and control systems, it precisely regulates machine movement and stacking layers, delivering fast response times and high positioning accuracy. Pallet cleaning device removes concrete residue from pallets. The pallet turning device performs 180 degrees pallet rotation for dual-sided usage, effectively extending pallet service life. Shipping pallet conveying device. A forklift delivers 10 to 15 shipping pallets to the conveying device, which is suitable for pallets of various specifications and sizes. Finished product conveyor. The cup-add products are conveyed to the intelligent packaging station, where they undergo horizontal strapping, vertical strapping, and film wrapping in sequence, completing the automatic packaging process, and are then transported to the finished product storage area by forklift. The fully intelligent, centralized control system provides centralized control for the entire production line with universal, modular, and systematic features, utilizing an high-performance digital transmission control system. It enables fully automatic operation of the production line, while also supporting independent control of individual components. The complete production line is equipped with safety functions including interconnected operation and safety interlocking mechanisms to ensure secure and efficient production. Automatic control system achieves fully automatic intelligent production line control through programmable logic controllers and other friendly human-machine interface. Remote maintenance system utilizing an industrial Ethernet and cloud technologies. It provides real-time, full-life cycle monitoring of equipment health status, enabling remote supervision, predictive fault detection, comprehensive health evaluation, operation report generation, while also providing value-added services through big data analysis.